What's up guys, Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and today I'm sitting behind the back of my Ford F-150. It's a 2020 and we're gonna start upgrading some lights here. One of the things that you notice over time is you see sort of this dingy yellow that the license plate light is here. So that's something that we can easily replace, update very quickly. So partner with my friends from F-150LEDs. These are very, very simple quick fix here. We can go right in through the back of the tailgate here at the license plate lights with literally just a screwdriver. So this is a quick update you can do in a matter of minutes. We'll show you how to do this here, and then stay tuned. We're gonna start working for a couple different other options to upgrade the lights on my F-150. So all we're gonna do here is take a screwdriver and start popping this up, and it will come right out. So we can get right in here, we can twist this out, and now we have the light bulb that we can pull and swap out with the new one. Super simple. Take this bulb out and line this one up and pop it in. Spin it. Pop it back into place. Let's turn the light on and see if it works. This might be one of the fastest swap outs or upgrades I've ever done on my F-150. Maybe an air freshener is quicker, but 5 minutes tops. So pop them out, put these in, easy as can be here. I think one of the only things that's maybe even compares is doing the slow open on my tailgate, but this is by far much faster. So check out the lights. You can pick up these and then other ones I'll be showing on my channel here at F150LEDs.com. And then you can find more tutorials from my channel at Lazy Guy DIY.